Hi friends, welcome and welcome back. On today's menu guys, I'll be sharing with you a very simplified way for you to make Nigerian jollof. This recipe is so easy to prepare and it's beginner friendly at the same time. So if you are new to cooking jollof rice, this recipe is definitely for you. This tasted really good. So if you are new here, please you are welcome and to my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back. I do appreciate all your support. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. In a pot, I'll go ahead to add some oil. I'm making use of vegetable oil. Next, I'll go in with some chopped onions, and I'm making use of white onions. You can make use of purple onions. It depends on your preference or whatever you have. I'll saute the onions for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll go in with some rosemary, garlic and ginger paste, and I will fry that for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll go in with some tomato paste. I will fry the tomato paste for 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, I'll go in with my blended fresh tomatoes and pepper as well, and I'll go ahead to fry this for another 5 to 10 minutes. The time frame that you fry your jollof base depends on the quantity of the rice that you are making. After 10 minutes, I'll go in with some thyme, and at this point I'll go ahead to add all the spices I'll be using to make this jollof. I just added the thyme and I also added some bay leaf. I'll go in with some seasoning cubes, and at this point I'll also go in with my meat stock. Next, I'll go in with my already washed rice. I parboiled my rice. I know some people don't like to parboil their rice, but I parboiled my rice and it's well washed as well. I'll go in with that, then I'll mix together to make sure that everything is well combined. Next, I'll go ahead to test for salt, and I'm not gonna add any more salt. If you wish to add more salt, do it at this point. And what you see me adding now is a little bit of crayfish. If you are not adding crayfish to your jollof rice, I think you should give it a try. Adding crayfish to my jollof rice gives me that smoky flavor. Whenever I want to get that smoky authentic flavor that comes from jollof rice, I do add crayfish to mine. So once I've added crayfish, I'll go ahead to cover that and allow that to cook for 15 minutes or more. Then I'll go ahead to stir the rice. Yes, I will stir my rice and add some butter to it, because adding butter to it will give the rice a different texture altogether. So I'll add some butter, then I'll go ahead to cover it, and I'll cook on a very low heat until it gets a little bit burnt. Just what I want to get is that smoky flavor. And here you have it, the jollof is ready to be served. Go ahead and enjoy with your plantain or your preferred salad by the side. Thank you so much for watching. If you have watched to this very moment, thank you. I appreciate your stay here. If you are new here, please do well to subscribe to the channel, and you are highly welcome. To my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back. I do appreciate your support. Thank you once again. Please do well to share the video to your family and friends, and like the video at the same time. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do well to subscribe. Thank you once again, and I will see you all in my next one. Have a blessed weekend, and bye.